In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT BEP20 from Trust Wallet. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, let's say if you want to withdraw USDT BEP20 from a Trust Wallet, let me say to your Binance, what you need to do, at first go and get your USDT BEP20 wallet address. So let me use Binance for an example. I'm going to open up Binance, click on this, I'll wait for it to open up. I'll just come on, I'll type in USDT. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to click on add, click on the first option. Now once this has opened up, just wait for it to load up. Okay, right now you can be able to see the BEP20 is the second option. So once you tap on it, you're going to be able to get your USDT BEP20 wallet address. Now what you need to do, go to your Trust Wallet, click on manage, come on here, type in USDT. So you're going to find the BEP20. So I'm going to just click on this. I'll type in this. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So this is your wallet address. So this is it. So what you need to do, that address I've copied, come on here, click on send, paste that wallet address here, right? Enter the amount you want to withdraw. So this is basically how I'm able to withdraw USDT BEP20 from your Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.